Hey, go stand in the snowdrift, like the really, really big one. Gotta put my glove on, my hand is freezing. There. What is that?
I'm in a snowdrift.
No, you're not. Stand up. You did have me fooled there for a second. Are you gonna open the garage door?
Huh?
Are you gonna open the garage door?
Yeah. I'm gonna hang myself for it.
Okay. Oh, jeez, I gotta go video this. Or do I? Alright, if I step in his snow tracks, maybe it won't be so bad. How can you walk this far apart? Oh. Oh. My. Oh. Oh boy. Whew. I'm coming. Oh, I made it. Barely. Whew. Wow.
The chance I closed the door.
You got heat out here? That's good.
Oh, but I got it.
Hey, go stand next to that so I can see how big it is. And there's the snowblower. Whew. The snowblower that ate newspaper yesterday.
Is this?
Yeah, over here. I'm in the video. I'm videotaping, honey. Video. Okay.